Look at this. Wow. Glenwyn, you know if there's any dates on this? You can see where the level should be. Theewaterskloof Dam. It was built in 1967. Capacity is 480 million cubic meters of water. There's the dam. Oh, this is gorgeous, eh? Wow.
Cool how it shimmers.
Yeah, amazing. Interesting facts about the Theewaterskloof Dam is that it's the 7th largest dam in South Africa, and it's also the largest water supplying dam in the Western Cape.
Yep.
That's pretty impressive. I know it's when we went through that heavy drought in Cape Town in 2018, it was only at 9%, and I know that there were so many restrictions because it supplies the whole Cape Town metropole from
I
this
think
dam.
that was its lowest level ever. Yeah.
Crazy. And then in 2021, September 2021, it was at 100.5%. So that's
reached 100%.
that's crazy. So within like a few years, it filled back up. Well, at the moment, it's something like 69%
Correct.
full. You can see that though. Yeah.
We immediately saw it was
Yeah.
lower. Yeah.
Villiersdorp. You go up here. Wonder what this is. This looks pretty.
Looks gorgeous. Oh, you'll have to go and read up some on it. St. Augustine's Anglican Church.
Wow, it's a pretty church,
Pretty
eh?
golden, yeah.
I'm trying. The sun is directly behind this church, but it is beautiful. It's made of stone and it's got a thatched roof. It's St. Augustine's Anglican Church. But it is gorgeous. Look at that. I'm in the shadow of the tree now. Now I'll hide behind the tree so that you can see the church properly. Look at that structure. That is amazing. Let's take a drive around. Yes, the church. The other church.
Another church. What vibe do you get? What decade?
With a brick, I would say in the 50s.
Would you?
Really in the 50s. I would think so.
It's 3 o'clock. I wonder if they have a bell.
It just went off, I heard it.
Oh no!
Yeah.
I missed it.
Just missed it, yes. Fortunately, the gate's open, so I'm going to take a walk around, see what I can find. Wow. Typical with a rooster on the top. This is so nice. Look how pretty this looks, eh? This congregation was established, looks like, in 1858, and they celebrated their 150th year in 2008. As you saw, this congregation was established in 1858, but the town was established in 1843 by Field Cornet Peter de Villiers.
Is it 43?
Is it 43? Can't remember.
I remember 43, but I can't be sure.
Yeah, that's what I think. 1843.
And this congregation was established?
1858, so it's possible.
That's 15 years later.
Yeah, it's possible.
I suppose that makes sense.
Oh no. This is where we wanted to come now. It's closed for today. See, this is what happens on a public holiday.
Yeah. I read this is where we get the keys for the tractor museum.
For the tractor museum. I so wanted to see the tractor museum, and now it's closed. We can't do it.
It would have been interesting.
It would have, eh? That's a pity.
That's a pity, yeah. That's definitely shut.
Oh, that's for sure. Not very chuffed with me.
Not very chuffed at all. This specific street, I get a distinct Prince Albert vibe.
Yeah. Definitely, but the massive trees, eh?
Yeah, that's what makes it.
But look at the autumn.
Yeah.
Autumn leaves.
Peaceful town.
Very peaceful,
like.
eh?
Yeah.
You just come off of Main Road, you find it very quiet.
Love fences and walls for the most part.
Hedgehog Hollow. Saw it at the same time.
That's a cute name for a complex.
It is, eh? Sonia spotted this while I was at the garage. I think it's pretty cool. How's this old steam engine? And your name is Glenwyn?
Yes.
So Glenwyn has arranged for me to get in here to see this steam engine. Glenwyn works for Caltex, as you can see. Wow. That's exactly like the one that we saw at called Old Susie at the Garden Route National Park. There by the King Edward VII big tree. Look at this. Wow. Glenwyn, you know if there's any dates on this?
Don't think so, sir.
Wow. 1654. Where did you see the date?
Was it
1854. But I don't know, that might just be a model number. Wow, it's a pity they don't have a date on it, eh? But 1854 could be right, eh? 1922. 1922, that's it. Number 34257, 1920. Yes. Well, I suspect 22. Amazing. Glenwyn, thank you very much. So now we're done at Villiersdorp and we are heading to our farm where we're going to be staying for the evening. It's not too far from Villiersdorp. I'm not too sure. I think about 10 k's like that. And it's called Pendennis Farm.
Correct.
So looking forward to that. And I'm hoping I can braai a worsie.
A grabouwors.
A grabouworsie. That was made in Grabouw.
Villiersdorp turned out to be quite cool.
I enjoyed Villiersdorp, seriously. Really nice.
Yep, me too.
Now, I'm just going to tell you, there are alpacas there.
Trust us.
Trust us, seriously, they are there. And yeah, we're going onto the gravel again.
Pendennis.
Pendennis Farm. Here we are. I presume that's the gate over there.
Me too. And we are the second house on the right, Lemon Cottage.
Oh, nice. Pendennis Farm.
Yes,
Here we
yes.
are.